AFI 315 welding machine you will get instructional manual, electrode holder and earth clamp. This is an earth clamp. This is an electrode holder. This machine has 5 IGBT6 capacitor and 3 diode. It is a single and two-phase machine. The welder can use in single and two-phase also. This is AFI 315 arc welding machine. This is a rotatory switch to set the arc force of the current. This is a rotatory switch to set the voltage of the current. This is a digital meter. When used in single phase, the green light will appear here. When used in second phase, the green light will appear here. We attach the electrode holder to the positive terminal and the earth clamp to the negative terminal. Backside of the machine. This is an MCB switch to protect welding machine from high current voltage. This is a VRD switch.